Hello, people watching. No time this week to go to the gym? That's not great, but the good news is that you can still work things out well. How many push ups do you do every day? They are some of the simplest activities ever made, and if your job depends on your physical strength, you do them all the time. This includes both athletes and people in the military. Let's talk about the advantages of doing push ups often. Are you going to get stronger? Does your coronary system improve? How's my posture? Can it get better? All of that and more are on the table. Push-ups boosts the definition of your muscles. Number 1. It makes your muscle looks more defined. Doing a few good sets of push-ups every day will get you in great shape. How do you want to know? Well, it's not as easy as getting down on the ground and pushing your body weight up, so hold on tight. Since there are other different kinds of push-ups, you can use each one to work different muscles. When you do a regular push-up, your hands should be about shoulder width apart. Your arms get a workout. When you do a wide push-up, you put twice as much space between your hands. This will make your chest feel good. When you do a narrow push-up, you put your hands closer together. This is good for both your arms and your chest muscles. When you do forward push-ups, your hands are about 20 centimeters in front of your shoulders and shoulder width apart. For backward push-ups, your hands should be 20 centimeters behind your body, both moving forward and backward. Work your abs and back. This will get you pumped up and in shape enough for the beach this summer. Your joints get some help. Your joints need some help. Forget about looking good for a minute. Let's discuss your joints. Your joints are the places where two or more of your bones meet. This lets them work as they should. If they have been hurting lately, you should probably start doing push-ups. Push-ups are a multi-joint workout. If you're worried about your shoulder muscles and tendons, start doing sets on a daily basis. Even though everyone is different, you should do as many push-ups as you can. Several health experts say you should do 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 3. Push-ups help prevent cardiovascular problems. Push-ups help keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Your heart and lungs can gain a lot from push-ups. The movement makes your heart work harder, which in turn makes your body make more oxygen. The oxygen is then sent to the cells in your muscles, but you have to work hard if you want the best results. In a 2019 study of male firefighters, those who could do 40 push-ups in 30 seconds had a lower chance of getting heart disease and the other heart-related problems over the next 10 years. If you want to do any kind of exercise, you should first make sure your lungs are in good shape. Number 4. They keep your shoulders safe. Your rotator cuff is the one place you don't want to get hurt. This is the joint that lets the muscles and nerves in your shoulder work. As we get older, our shoulders are more likely to get hurt or to hurt themselves. This is why it's important to exercise. If your shoulders are strong, they are less likely to hurt you. When you do push-ups, the muscles around your rotator cuff get stronger and more stable. If you do the workout right, it can also make your shoulders more flexible, which can help you do your job better. This will make you stronger and better able to do physical work, especially hard work and sports. So, if you want to throw old pigskin in the perfect circle next time, try doing more push-ups. Even though push-ups are good for your arms and chest, the usual way to do them will work your shoulders. Most experts say that you should try for 3 sets of 12 reps at the start of this routine. Number 5. They make your core stronger. They strengthen your core. Every fitness fan's dream is to strut down the beach and show off their washboard abs. If you want it to come true, you'll have to do a lot of push-ups. Remember when we talked about forms that go forward and backward? These are the best ways to get the great core you've always wanted. It will also be healthy and strong in addition to looking good. Now, when I say core, I mean everything from the abdominals to the waist to the area around the hips. These ab muscles can be split into 2 groups, muscles that move and muscles that hold. Stabilizing muscles help keep the body in a good position and give it support, while mobilizing muscles make it possible for the body to move. When done right, push-ups improve each these key areas, making your back stronger, letting you run faster, and making you more flexible. If your core isn't strong enough, you're more likely to hurt yourself or have back problems. You can also tire out much more quickly. You're in trouble if you're a runner or a dancer. Like your shoulders, your core muscles need to be strengthened through exercise to keep you from getting hurt. Number 6, they keep you from falling over. The movement works your proprioceptive muscle fibers, which keep your body balanced. Even if you don't realize it, just doing one push-up puts your body to the test. When you start to do a push-up, your muscles are already trying to keep you from falling over. It's a different story if you try to push yourself up. Your nerves respond to keep your body from falling over and do everything they can to keep you steady. Think about how much your balance is getting better when you do 12 reps in a set. Have you been doing push-ups recently? Have you decided to start because of this video? So, that's all we have for you today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're starting to follow us, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you later.